watching our show and supporting the girls that are dancing. And you know, after Merry Monarch, you know, you come back and you go back to Hula and you're just so happy to see everybody and be back in the studio. And you know, these girls behind me, actually you're gonna go down. We're gonna do Kumu, so you're gonna go down on the stage now. Okay, to have the babies come up here. Okay. We always end with this mele, and it's called Kumu, my friend. And like I was saying, you know, we come back from training, and it's so good to go back and see the kids and see how they look at their aunties when they come back, because we don't do our classes alone. We have a nice team of women who come every Saturday who help the girls fix their feet and lift their chin and all that kind of stuff. So mahalo to all the aunties who do that. And congratulations to all the women who did train this year at Merry Monarch. And thank you again for having us here this year again. Roger, wherever you are, mahalo nui for all your great communication. And thank you to our sound man for setting us up and making us sound good. And thank you to our friend Zach for coming to help sing with us today. And on behalf of my husband and I, Keawe and I, we just want to thank you and express our aloha and have a safe event tomorrow as well. And with all of this, we say, can we not block all the children?
I will send them in front.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, just one line in front. Everybody else can go behind, on the side. Oh. This year we had 11 teenagers who joined the Merry Monarch line, and they're here today. And just, anyway, just so blessed and grateful. We'll leave you with this. Kaholo. Aloha. And thank you, Kimo, too, wherever you are. I'm going to see you right after.
Onohi Mai o Hae. Kumu, Tracie and Keawe Lopes. Oh, more. Keep going. More applause. They deserve it. How beautiful, yeah?